Hey there, today we're going to look at best Gmail alternatives. So let's get started. First, let's talk about Proton Mail. It's known for its strong focus on privacy and security. Proton Mail offers end to end encryption, meaning only you and the sender can read the messages. It also lets you organize your inbox with folders and labels. To sign up, go to Proton Mail's official website, click on Create a Free Account, enter your username and password, and complete the sign up process. After that, log into your dashboard. It's simple, clean, and easy to use. Next, we have Zoho Mail. This one is great for both personal and business use. Zoho Mail offers a free version as well as a paid business plan with advanced features. It also has a service called Zeptomail, which is designed for reliable transactional emails. To create your account, go to Zoho Mail, click sign up, enter your details, and choose whether you want the free or business version. Then there's Yahoo Mail. It's been around for a long time and remains one of the most popular email platforms. Yahoo Mail is simple, fast, and easy to use, making it perfect for everyday communication. Just go to Yahoo Mail, click on Sign In, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, you can easily send emails, organize your inbox, and access all your messages in one place. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.